Hello everyone, this is Brian and today I'll be talking about comparison of economic development theories. There are 11 types of comparison of economic development theories. The first one is evolutionary economics. This branch of economics is inspired by evolutionary biology. Survival of the fittest model is rampant. Evolutionary economics believe that economic is dynamic, constantly changing and chaotic. It is a theory that proposing economic processes evolve and that economic behavior is determined both by individuals and society as a whole. It is also a generally view people and governmental institutions as entirely rational actors. The second one is rural-urban continuum. It is a concept relating to the transition from rural to urban societies. Investigation of the social, cultural, and economic characteristics of individual societies allow them to be positioned at different points of long and evolutionary path. Then we have linear stages theory. This concept was proposed by W. Rostow, in which it stated that development industrial nations of the world transformed themselves from backwardness to prosperity. And we have also structural functionalism theory, which is created by Emil Durkheim. It's also called that society is made up of a bunch of moving parts that move together as one. In structural functionalism, social change is regarded as an adaptive response to some tension within the social system. When some part of the integral social system changes, a tension between this and other parts of the system is created, which will be resolved by the adaptive change of the other parts. And then we're moving to Lewis' theory of development. This is also known as a two-sector surplus model. It explains about the growth of a developing economy in terms of labor transition between the two sectors, the capitalist sector and the subsistence sector. And then we have also conflict theory, views about social and economic institutions as tools of the struggle between groups or classes. It is used to maintain inequality and the dominance of the ruling class. The next one is international dependence theory. This explains about global inequality as caused by colonialism and neocolonialism. It is the dominance of former colonial powers over low-income nations. The next on the list is neoclassical growth theory. While an economy has limited resources in terms of capital and labor, the contribution from technology to growth is boundless. The last but not the least is new growth theory. This presumes that desire and wants of the populace will drive ongoing productivity and economic growth. It is also knowledge is treated as an asset for growth and that is not subject to diminishing returns like other assets such as capital or real estate. The theory emphasized the importance of entrepreneurship, knowledge, innovation, and technology, rejecting the popular view that economic growth is determined by external forces.